Or making Turkish oven-baked mushrooms with eggs, perfect for Easter. It takes about 45 minutes and serves 4. Let's bake everything to golden, cozy perfection. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 pound of button or cremini mushrooms, cleaned. These will roast and become juicy and rich. 3 tablespoons olive oil. It helps the mushrooms roast evenly. 1 teaspoon salt, essential seasoning for depth. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper for warmth. 1 teaspoon biber, that Turkish-style mild chili for color and gentle heat. 1 small onion, finely diced for sweetness. 3 garlic cloves, minced, to perfume the bake. 1 tablespoon Turkish red pepper paste, biber salçası for savory depth. 1 cup diced tomatoes to add freshness and sauce. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley for a bright herbal finish. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh dill, classic with eggs and cheese. 4 large eggs for those Easter-ready nests. 1 cup shredded kashar cheese for a melty Turkish finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius, and lightly oil a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Clean and dry 1 pound of mushrooms. Trim any tough stem ends, and have the larger caps so all the pieces are a similar size. In a large bowl, toss the mushrooms with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon biber until every piece is coated. Spread the seasoned mushrooms in the oiled dish and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes, stirring once at the halfway mark. Take the dish out and immediately add 1 small diced onion and 3 minced garlic cloves. Stir well so they mingle with the hot mushrooms. Add 1 tablespoon of Turkish red pepper paste and 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Mix thoroughly until the mushrooms are coated in the red sauce. Return the dish to the oven and bake for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius until the onions soften and the sauce reduces slightly. Stir in 1/4 cup chopped parsley and 2 tablespoons chopped dill, folding the herbs gently through the mushrooms. Smooth the mixture into one even layer and use a spoon to make 4 small wells. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded kashar cheese evenly over the mushrooms, keeping those wells mostly clear. Crack 4 large eggs into the wells, spacing them so they cook evenly. Bake for 7 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius, until the egg whites are set and the yolks are still a little runny. Let the dish rest for 3 minutes, then serve hot for Easter brunch or supper. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this Easter bake, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tasty videos.